and welcome guys. Today we're going to be doing an awesome new unboxing from the Bichos collection. It is the Tigre Spider. I'm very excited to open this one up. It looks really awesome. But well guys, I'm going to put this down here for the moment. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it guys, make sure to hit that bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like Tigre Spiders, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And well guys, let's get into this. Okay guys, so now we're going to check out the magazine before we check out our new Tigre Spider friend. So we're gonna move down here. And well, like always, you have a nice artist drawing of the new bug, and this time it is the Tigre Spider. And I guess you guys can see why it's called the Tigre Spider, because it has all these cool stripes like a tiger. And well, we're gonna open this up. And okay, so here you have a little introduction and description about them, as well as a little bit about their habitat. And over here you have some general observations, and even more to the side here you have their different scientific names and subcategories and things like that. And this is the slide with our new Tigre Spider, and it shows you like the different parts of the spider. And moving right along, this is a bit more about the spider, and you have a nice picture here of one on the prowl looking for lunch. Here's some more bio about these specific types of spiders. And here you have you can see the different parts of them, which is pretty cool. Their fangs, their legs, their different insides to see what different things do. And here you have another species, which looks pretty cool. Here's a big butt. Wow, guys, look at all these different spiders. Which one do you guys think is the coolest? They're all really cool, and some of them are pretty funky looking. They look like little alien creatures, but they're not aliens. They live on the same planet as us. Look at that! That looks like a crab, but it's a spider. And same with this one. Well, which one do you guys think is the best? I think in creepiness, I think this is the creepiest one. And I think the coolest one is the Tigre Spider. Because he's just cool. And these are their different habitats, gardens, humid climates, etc. Different places they like to live. And well, we have some more Nice drawings showing them going after different bugs for lunch. This one is going after a dragonfly. Oh wow, and here you can see a tiger spider going after a mantis, which is pretty crazy. The mantis is bigger than the spider, and yet the spider is still like, you look like lunch. That's pretty impressive. And this is like a nest of different spider babies. So when they're born, they like pop out of it like an alien type thing. It's kind of creepy. But well, we're gonna open this up, and this shows that yes, they have, despite being badasses eating things bigger than they are, they do get predated on by birds. And this is how they make their spider webs. And their main diet is grasshoppers, butterflies. Oh, poor butterflies. I like butterflies. Flies and dragonflies. And their main enemies, their main predators are birds, hunter wasp, bats, and other spiders. He's a spider world, guys. And here they are eating a bee, because why not? Here we have a wasp caught in a Venus flytrap. That stinks. And moths, and this is another close-up of the tiger spider, it looks like. And this is a trapdoor spider. These things are amazing, but when I first learned about them, they gave me nightmares. Because unlike other spiders, they burrow into the ground, and they will sit there and wait. And when they feel in the vibrations of something moving nearby, they poke their heads out and quickly grab it to eat it, which is pretty cool. But at the same time, being a kid is kind of scary. Because you think, oh no, it can come and grab me. But in the reality, no, they're too small. They can't grab people. Oh well, we're gonna open this up more. Oh, and yes, the Spider-Man. So this is how spiders have affected pop culture. So of course they're gonna have Spider-Man. And guys, if you haven't yet, you can check out my awesome Spider-Man unboxing that I did recently. I will have it in the end cards if you're interested. But well, let's mosey back on down here. And let's see, we have, like always with this collection, we have some puzzles and some discover the differences. Very cool. And well, we're gonna close this up. And now guys, it is time to check out our new tiger spider. So let's check him out. Now we're going to check out our new spider friend up close and personal. So there he is. Very cool. He has very long legs, very tiny body. So you can of course see all of those nice markings that he has. I'm going to show you now the side of him. So there's the side. And now I'm going to show you the bottom part, so you can really see how long those legs are. I'm going to show you the other side. And here's his foot part. Put him down on the table. But well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or start a new live stream. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Be awesome. Bye.